Day one of the Pink Hard Hat video interviews. Today we are here with B&M Marine, although they're very busy, so we're not going to bother any of them. And we've got a 200-foot line coming from that Titan cement truck, and we're building a 100-foot seawall today here at 3208 Washington Road. This is the first of many projects of Hilary Musser homes this year. Come take a look at this beautiful view, looking at Mar-a-Lago. We can't wait to keep you appraised step by step of the building process of this beautiful house that's going up here. It'll be almost 9,000 square feet at 3208 Washington Road. Bye for now.